Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all of you. Honorable Patron Maulana Sahab, respected guests, and other dignitaries from Markaz Umari Kodai, respected parents, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Alia Siddiqa from Al-Tangani Markaz Academy, and today I'm going to speak on the topic, character building in the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. When the world was dragging itself to its annihilation, there came the light from the heavens, the light of divine guidance, the infinite light to save this world from darkness and eradicating worlds. And there came the most awaited, the bearer of great tidings, the eradicator of darkness, the noble and the generous, the truthful and the trustworthy. And there came a Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad is known as sublime person with sublime character, even before he was appointed as a prophet. In the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself praised the noble character of the Prophet Muhammad. Being the Prophet Muhammad as a role model, introducing a high standard of excellent character, the expression of his beloved wife, Aisha sufficientness. The character of the Prophet is the Quran. In Islamic history, the sublime character of the Prophet is captured perfectly. He is known as honest, trustworthy, thoughtful, polite, love of neighbor, generous, tolerant, and so on. Greatness of his character is not only felt by his associates and followers, but even by the enemies and followers of other religions. Abu Hurairah reported that Prophet Muhammad encouraged Muslims in these words: be devout and you will be the most pious of people. Be content and you will be the most grateful of people. Love for people will love for yourself and you will be a believer. Behave well with your neighbors and you will be a Muslim. Laugh less and too much laughter will deaden the hurt. Prophet Muhammad explained that Allah has revealed to me that you must be humble towards one another, so that no one oppresses another or boosts one another. Prophet always invokes Allah to better his character, advising his companions to practice his morality. He taught the believers that morality attracts huge rewards that reach for devotions such as salat, zakat, and so on. To further buttress the point, the Prophet was always merciful and charitable, humble and generous, to each of his due, yet with compassion and sympathy for the weak, for the orphan, the deprived, and oppressed. Morality is therefore seen an integral part of Islam. Prophet says, he is not one of us who does not respect our elders and does not show mercy to monsters, and is not respectful towards brothers. Rasulullah says, Inna Allah la yamdu ila suwaikum wa amwalikum. Allah does not look at your physical features. Allah doesn't care about your physical features. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded you and I that we have to change and improve and become better people. And the first step for you to change and improve your patience, your generosity, your humbleness, etc. is to believe that you can. And you would never, and you should never say, I am blind and I can never change. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not hold you accountable for things cannot change. Allah looks at your words and your actions because that's what you can change and have some sort of control over. Allahu Akbar. It's one of my speech with the saying of Prophet Muhammad. The best Muslims are those who have the best inward and outward behavior.